How to adjust volume using a remote control. Ensure your hearing aids and remote control are paired and powered on. Now locate the volume buttons on your remote control, usually marked with plus to increase and minus to decrease. Now press the plus button to make the sounds louder and minus to reduce the volume. Some remotes also allows you to switch programs for various environments. Enjoy hands-free control without touching your hearing aids. Perfect for small or hard to reach devices. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 965839 5839.